Da bi dokazali kako su jedini gospodari neba i zemlje, počeše uništavati sve oko sebe. Životinje, šume, rijeke, mora, jezera, sve znanje koje im je gospodar dao kako bi napredovali i što lagodnije živjeli, pretvorili su u sredstva za uništenje. Krenuli su i u svemir, spustili se u dubine i tako narušili mir ostalih žitelja. Slave novac i jedino se njemu klanjaju, jedino o njemu razmišljaju, tužno i nemoćno progovori Semos. Uništavajući sve oko sebe, čovjek je počeo uništavati i sebe. Bakterije i viruse koji su im bili obrambena sredstva sad su okrenuli protiv sebe. Bolesti ih nagrizaju. Odlaze s planete u velikoj patnji. Sav trud da se čovjek promijeni, očito je bio bezuspješan. Gospodar još jednom uvidio da su izaslanici nemoćni odvratiti čovjeka od zla koje je zavladalo njegovim bićem. Zastane na trenutak gledajući prema zemlji, pa klimajući glavom zaključi: moja najdraža djeca još uvijek nisu dorasla neograničenoj slobodi koju sam im podario i zato sam prisiljena u crnu mrlju izbrisati iz svemira.
In order to prove that man is the sole master of heaven and earth, people began to destroy everything along the way. Animals, forests, rivers, seas, lakes and oceans. All the know-how that the Lord has bestowed upon man to grow and prosper, to live as comfortably as possible, has been converted into a means of destruction. Man has even soared into space, submerged in the deepest of seas, and in doing so he has disturbed peace amongst other inhabitants. Man glorifies and praises money. He bows only to it. That is all he ever thinks about, Semos utters sadly and feebly. In destroying everything around him, man has destroying himself. Bacteria and viruses, which served as a means of protection for man, have now turned against him. Diseases are eating man away. Man is corroding. People leave earth suffering deeply and in such great agony. Alas, all endeavors that man might change have proven to be in vain. So the Lord sees that his emissaries are unable to draw man away from the evil that is governing man's entire being. He stops for a moment to look at earth, nodding, and then concludes: my dearest children have not yet learned to cope with the unlimited freedom I have given them. I am thus compelled to erase the black, ugly spot from the face of the universe.
Vibracije potresu cijeli svemir. Nemir obuzme svih. Na planeti anđela ustupi tišina. Utihnu božanske trube. Zastane u pokretu anđelski ples. Zar se ništa više ne može učiniti, pomisle iznenađeni anđeli. Nikad gospodar nije tako reagirao. Oni dobro znaju da je gospodar uvijek čovjeka stavljao na prvo mjesto. Mazio ga i dopuštao da se s njim igraju. A oni su to zloupotrijebili. Koliko god smo pokušavali osvijetliti ljudima put, uvijek su birali onaj mračan. Svi znakovi koje smo postavljali nisu ništa značili pred njihovim egom. Poražavajuća misao prostoru i svemirom. Ali, gospodaru, na zemlji ima dobrih ljudi čija su srca prepuna ljubavi. Oni nisu zaslužili da budu uništeni. Stoga te molimo, dopusti nam i pomogni u posljednjem pokušaju. Usudi se progovoriti Padu, jedan od izaslanika. Što predlažete? Vi znate da ja neizmjerno volim sve one koji su puni ljubavi, svjetla, suosjećanja i oni će biti spašeni, reče gospodar.
Vibrations shake the entire universe. All are overcome by restfulness. On the planet of angels, silence creeps in. Divine trumpets fall silent. The angels' dance is interrupted instantaneously. All of the angels are astonished. They cannot help but wonder where there is still something more they can do. Is there? The Lord has never reacted like this. They know very well that the Lord has always given man top priority. He has always pampered and allowed man to play games with him, but man abused all this. No matter how much light is shed before man's feet, he always seems to choose the darker patch to tread on. All the signs placed in front of man mean nothing before his ego. There are other terrifying thoughts flow throughout the universe. But Lord, there are still some good people down on earth whose hearts are full of love and who do not deserve to be destroyed. We beg you, lend us a helping hand in one more attempt, our last attempt. Badu, one of the emissaries, protests courageously. What do you suggest? You know very well that I infinitely love all those who are full of love, light and compassion. There are those who will be saved, declares the Lord.
Izaslanici ponovno prepuni nade uzbuđenim glasom započeo s iznošenjem plana. Pozvaće sve anđele i svi će se spustiti na zemlju. Svatko će biti zadužen za jednog čovjeka. Zapalit će sve krijesnice kako bi mu pokazali samo jedan put. Pomoći će mu otškrinuti vrata svoga srca i ispuniti ga beskrajnom ljubavlju. Ljudi će osjećati da im se nešto događa. Pomislit će da su u pitanju čuda. Počet će se okretati prema drugim ljudima. Nebeska vrata rastopit će sve okove, sav led oko srca. Toplina, ljubav i radost zračit će iz svake slobodne duše. Neće im trebati svjetlo, jer oni će svijetliti ljubavlju.
The emissaries, full of hope, again disclose their plan excitedly. They will summon all angels, and all of them will descend upon earth. Each and every angel will watch over one man. They will tell all fireflies to turn on their sparks to show man the only true path. They will help man unbolt the door of his heart, leaving it ajar, so that the Lord's never-ending love may flow freely. People will feel that something is happening to them. In some instances, it will appear like magic, a miracle. People will begin to turn to one another. Heaven's flames will melt all shackles and all of the ice in and around man's heart. Warmth, love and joy will radiate from each and every free soul. People will no longer need any light because they will glow and sparkle with love.
Gospodaru, pomogni nam da ova crna mrlja u svemiru postane svjetlo ljubavi. Gotovo uglas izgovoriše izaslanici. Nada, strepnja, iščekivanje. Hoće li gospodar čovjeku pružiti još jednu šansu? Učinite to. Krenite odmah. Na zrakama moje ljubavi dođite do svačijeg srca. S olakšanjem uzvikne gospodar i prekine gluhu tišinu. Radost i osmijeh na licima izaslanika još jednom kreću na najteži put. I od tada, svakoga dana, svake sekunde, upali se po jedno svjetlo. Odškrinite vrata svog srca i dopustite da se plamičak pohranjen u vašem srcu razbukta. Svijetlite na svom putu, a vaše svjetlo pomoći će drugima. Zar ima nešto ljepše od ljubavi?
Oh dear Lord, help us turn this black, ugly spot in the universe into sparkles of love. The emissaries gasp at one. Hope, anxiety, expectation. Will the Lord give man one more chance? Do it. Just do it, and do it now, when the wings of my love land onto and reach everyone's heart. The Lord exclaims with great relief, and so sends the grave silence. Joy and smiles reappear on the faces of all the emissaries. They embark once more on the most difficult of journeys. And from that day onwards, every single day, and every single second of the day, a light is lit, and it keeps shining on. Open the door of your heart. Let the flicker shining and burning deep within bursts into flames. Can there be anything more beautiful than love?